Welcome to our educational video on how to conduct an academic literature review. Step 1. Define your objectives. Determine the purpose and scope of your literature review. Step 2. Conduct a comprehensive search. Explore relevant academic databases and sources. Step 3. Evaluate the sources. Assess the credibility and relevance of the literature. Step 4. Organize the literature. Create a structured framework to categorize and synthesize the information. Step 5. Analyze and synthesize. Identify patterns, themes, and connections within the literature. Step 6. Write the review. Summarize and critically evaluate the literature in a coherent manner. Step 7. Revise and refine. Edit and improve the review for clarity and coherence. Step 8. Publish or integrate. Share your review with the academic community or incorporate it into your own research. Master the art of conducting an academic literature review and unlock new possibilities in your research journey.